Just a quick little video showing you what we do with rebar bended for stirrups for reinforcing in foundations, using 8mm rebar for normal residential foundations. What I'm doing here, I'm marking off my bends. First one at 75 for a fold over, then 150. The bending schedule calls for 150 by 500 stirrups. So once the 150 is marked, go over to the 500, and then it's another 150, and obviously the overlap would be the remaining. All these bars were cut beforehand. I cut them all with a bolt cutter, so the edges are quite sharp. So if you do something like this, make sure you wear gloves. Right, now that everything's marked, I'm going to take it over for the first bend, which would be a corner, and this forms a fold over to tie it in. With this bender, it's so simple. It is so easy. There's hardly any effort. It's so strong. 8mm rebar gets bent 90 degrees, sharp corners with minimal effort. Moving over to the 500 length. Now you'll see I made a mistake here. I did not hold it perfectly level with the remainder of it. You'll see in a minute when I bend it over, it's a bit offset. That's easily fixed. Just follow through on that 150 bend. Now, like I said, that's easily fixed by just placing it in the jig and giving it a bit of a twist. You'll see the arm of the bender stops there by that orange little triangle. That's just a welding magnet that I've used on another big bearing just to keep it so it doesn't spin closed on me the whole time. Right, with that, bend's complete. There we go, a little stirrup. Now I've done about 90 of these so far, with 60 more to go. So let me crack on with the job. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.